little bit on the optimization side, there are ways for you to change the behavior of the miner. A lot of those come down to selecting different profiles. So we obviously have multiple profiles pre-built when you install LuxOS for each miner type. So you can try those different profiles and see what your performance looks like. But you can also do things like change your temperatures. Target temperature changes when your fans go to 100% and stay there. So if this is set to 55 by default, that could give you one result from a test. But if it's set to 45, that may get you a little bit better of a test because we're cooling the chips earlier and therefore potentially maintaining a higher level of efficiency or a better hash rate. You can adjust things like hot temperature and dangerous temperature to adjust how the miner underclocks and when it underclocks. When does the miner get too hot and turn off? Depending upon your goals will really define how you're going to optimize and test these miners, because by changing some of these characteristics of it, you can change the behavior of when things occur. Buffer temperature, this is the temperature that the miner will do, or this is the range that the miner won't do anything in terms of overclock, underclock, or any profile switching. So there's a buffer between when we underclock and when we will come back up in profile because the miner is cooled down. That buffer can be small if you want the miner to cool off quickly and then return to hash rate very quickly. The buffer could be big if you're having heat problems. You want the miner to underclock and stay underclocked until it's reached a sufficient temperature to come back up. So a smaller window means more fluctuation, a bigger window means less fluctuation. And then you have things like startup time. This is when the miner is going to, or when ATM is going to start adjusting things after either boot or after a previous ramp. It could be a change in voltage, change in frequency, change in profile. How soon do you want the miner to start evaluating temperature again after it's made a change or after it's booted up? Mostly with post-ramping time, changing that will give you less frequent ATM checks if you make the number bigger, therefore less variance in profiles, less changing, because we're not checking as often. Therefore, if the miner is cool or warm, we're not checking as often and making adjustments. Some people will set this all the way out to 5 or 7 minutes if they want more stability versus more fluctuation in hash rate profile change. Most everything else is pretty straightforward. Changing your fan speeds to a maximum of, or to manual and setting it to 100% or 80% can change your efficiency rates. Obviously, there's a difference between the power consumption of fans at 80% and the power consumption of fans at 100%. But it just depends on your goals, it depends on your environment. There are things you can do with the fans to help things out. And then under advanced settings, down here, you can change what happens when the miner gets too hot or when a hashboard fails. This again could optimize a little bit of your fleet if you have machines that have less than 3 hashboards, or if you want machines to keep running when a hashboard fails, if a hashboard fails. So you can do a little bit of optimization there. That's on by default. But most of your optimizations are going to come from things like adjusting these temperatures to meet defined goals. That's LuxOS optimization in a nutshell. Happy to help out from the support side. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to reach out to support, and myself or one of my colleagues will be glad to give you a hand. Thank you.